welcome back to my channel. Today, new tutorial for you. It will be a very quick tutorial. I want to share with you a very fast way to work with the peyote technique. In this video, I will use an even peyote to make a small band. It will be a ring band. I'm using 10 delica beads to better show you all the steps. Pick up 6 delica beads and bring them at the end of the thread. I work the first row of peyote in this classic way. Pick up a delica, skip the first delica at the bottom and pass through the second one, and pull the thread. Pick up another delica bead, skip the third delica and pass through the fourth delica bead. Pick up another delica bead, skip the fifth delica bead and pass through the sixth delica bead. The first row is now completed. This is the final result. Now we are going to work in a different way. Pick up 6 delica beads, pass through the first delica at the bottom, topwards, and pull the thread. In this way, the 6 delica beads will stand closer to the previous work. Now we are going to work in a zigzag way. Skip the first bead and pass through the second bead on the right. Pull the thread, then pass through the third bead on the left and pull the thread again. Pass through the fourth bead on the right, the fifth on the left, and the sixth on the right. In this way, you will make 2 steps in one, and the work will be faster. From now, I repeat the steps to show you again how to make it. So, pick up again 6 delica beads and pass through the bottom delica bead topwards. Go through the second delica bead on the right, the third delica bead on the left, the fourth delica bead on the right, the fifth delica bead on the left, and the sixth delica bead on the right. It's easy, isn't it? I'm going on in this way to complete my peyote ring. With this technique you can make band bracelets, rings, earrings, etc. and you will make them in a fast way. I hope this video could be useful for you, and happy beading, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want you can join my English group on Facebook. You can find the links in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!